Thank you for considering Sotheby's International Realty. Many choose to partner with us because of our reputation of integrity, our exceptional curation of their properties, and the way we outperform the market in exposure and sales. It starts with our award-winning website that attracts over 30 million global visitors each year and is available in 16 languages. This visually immersive experience was designed to give your home the remarkable first impression that it deserves. And that's only the beginning of the exposure we provide your property. We advertise your home with premier global media brands to introduce your home to their affluent audiences. But we don't just wait for someone to search for your home. We proactively introduce it to financially qualified buyers in your target market alongside editorial content. In addition, we allow buyers to take a tour through your home at their leisure on Apple TV. Your home also has the chance to be featured on the most visited luxury real estate channel on YouTube, and with the potential to reach over 1.2 million of our social media followers. Our award-winning PR team fosters strong relationships with leading media outlets and is accessible to your sales associate to help generate even greater exposure for your home. And we utilize the proprietary Sotheby's Auction House database to reach the most difficult-to-access buyers. When you choose Sotheby's International Realty, you know that your property will be seen at its finest by the most qualified buyers around the world. Your home deserves nothing less.